Hey guys, Zillman Wags here with Dirkula Pressure Washers, here to introduce another tutorial video. What we're doing today is focusing on this warehouse floor. One of our sister companies just acquired this new warehouse. They've got this nice epoxy coating, but on top of it, we've got forklift marks, we've got shelf marks from dust that has sat there for years, we've got tape all over the warehouse floor, and our goal is just to nuke it and get it out as hot as possible and as easy as possible using a pressure washer. The big goal today is to get everything off the floor without getting the drywall wet. If you look around us, we've got drywall everywhere in this building. We're going to try our best to bring this back to life using a two-step chemical process. We're simply going to put a layer of Nastee on the surface, a layer of Big Green Bruce. In theory, both of those are going to work really well together. One of them having a higher butyl content is going to take care of some of the tire rubbing marks. The other one, Nastee, is just going to take care of the more aggressive staining and take care of everything that's on the surface. We're going to go ahead and surface clean. My colleague Nick, he's going to act today as my squeegee boy. We're going to go ahead and fire the machines up and get started. Let's see what it looks like. All right, guys, so as you can see, a pressure washer is definitely the right tool for this job. That surface cleaner and the mixture of chemical made quick work of everything that was here. If you look around at any of the remaining stains, you'll notice on a lot of these, they're not actually stains. They're where the forklift tires have rubbed and actually worn through the epoxy itself. If you look at some of these indents, they're imperfections in the epoxy, they're imperfections in the concrete itself. You've got a pretty old warehouse here that's been brought back to life several times with different floor coatings. And basically everything that came off is what our goal was, to make it as safe as possible to walk on. It's not a slip hazard anymore. There's no more oil on the surface. There's no more grime on the surface. There's not a layer of dust on everything. And the majority of this floor actually looks pretty good as it's starting to dry. All we did is lay a really high pH soap, lay a really nice butyl layer right over top of that, and it took everything right off this floor. We'd love to hear feedback in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's kill some dirt.